small town where all dinosaurs knew one another. Millie was everybody's favorite little dino, always smiling and spreading joy wherever she went. One evening, as Millie walked back home from the park, a miserable old dinosaur approached her and asked, "Why do you keep passing smiles to everyone all day long?" Millie was stunned at the question, but happily revealed, "When I was really young, Mother once told me that a small gesture like a smile from you can turn someone else's day around completely. You should try it too." The old dinosaur was impressed with the idea and resolved to try it. The next day, she excitedly returned to Millie to share how she gave a stranger a smile. And the stranger smiled back and said, "I was having a bad day. Your smile reminded me to smile, and I feel much better. Thanks." Fairy tales. Jane loved bedtime stories. Every night, her grandpa told her dino fairy stories, and she would sleep imagining that perfect world. Jane wanted her very own fairy tale. She wanted all the good things to happen to her too. From all the stories Jane had ever heard, she was sure that she too would come across a magic lamp or a fairy godmother who would make all her wishes come true. Day and night she dreamt of the day when her life would magically become perfect. One day Grandpa caught her daydreaming and asked what she was thinking. Jane told him all her hopes and plans. Grandpa laughed and said, "Oh darling, don't just wait for good things to happen to you. Work hard to achieve your goals. If you work hard, every day will seem magical. You'd never have to wait for anything." A friend to count on. Louie, Dewey, and Huey were the best of friends. Together ever since they were chubby baby dinos, they were always found together. The three of them were always a team, be it a game of football or a class project. Once, on their way back from school, the friends were ambushed by a ferocious dinosaur. As soon as the dinosaur charged towards the three, Huey screamed, "Run for your life!" But Louie froze in his tracks. Numbed by fear, he couldn't move a muscle. Dewey quickly climbed up the tree, leaving his friends behind. But Huey couldn't leave Louie in danger, so he grabbed Louie by the arm and dragged him up the tree with him. Huey valued their friendship and prioritized Louie over his own well-being, and was indeed the true friend everyone needs, and Louie surely could count on. Milas Toy. Mila was a little toddler dinosaur. One day, she went to the store with her mummy. There, she decided to get Mila a toy. Walking in the store aisles, Mila spotted the perfect toy. As soon as she grabbed it, another dino baby did the same. Now, both dinos wanted the same toy, but there was only one, so they began to pull it away from each other. Mila was older and stronger. When she pulled the toy a little harder, the other dino let go. As soon as he lost the toy, he started to cry loudly. Immediately, Mila regretted snatching the toy away. Though she spotted it first, yet she didn't want the dino to get so upset and cry over a toy. So Mila did the right thing and gave away the toy, making her mummy feel so happy and proud.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.